Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a problem that might arise when working with coroutines in C++. The problem we're tackling involves executing a coroutine function with a single co_await operator in an infinite loop. Imagine you have a coroutine waiting on an event, and you want to run it forever without blocking the program. How can we achieve this effectively? Let's explore the solution together. In our solution, we have a set of structured components of struct coroutine and a struct promise. The promise holds a final underscore awaiter responsible for managing the state of the coroutine. It ensures that the promise reference stays valid even after completion by always suspending in the final suspend. This approach allows for seamless execution of the coroutine in an infinite loop without risking premature destruction. The coroutine struct interacts with the promise, checking for completion, and managing the suspension of the coroutine as needed. By implementing a custom forever function that continuously awaits the provided coroutine, we can achieve the desired behavior of executing a coroutine indefinitely. To wrap it up, we've explored a clever solution to the problem of executing a coroutine in an infinite loop in C++. By structuring our components effectively and leveraging the power of suspending coroutines, we can create a seamless and efficient workflow. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy coding, and may your coroutines run smoothly.